In this video, we will learn how to add unlike fractions. You may know unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominators are different. Like example, 1/4 and 2/3. So here you can see the denominators are not same. They are different. So let's take some examples and try to add them. Here I have a fraction 1/3 plus 2/7. So it could be done in different ways. First I will tell you this, that if you see the denominators are different, so what do I do is simply multiply these two. So it will be 3 7s are 21. And now what I do is I will multiply this with this and this with this. So diagonally I'll multiply the numerators with these numbers. So what is that? 1 into 7 will be 7. 1 into 7 gives 7. Okay, I'll write it here. Plus 2 into 3, that is 6. Now we will add both numbers. What it gives? 7 and 6 is 13, and in the denominator we already have 21. So this is the answer. Easy. Let's take another example now. Here you may see two numbers which has different denominators. What we would do? We will multiply these two numbers. It gives 3 2s are 6. And what do we do with the numerators? We diagonally multiply. So 1 2s is 2, 1 3s is 3. Now we will add both the numbers. 2 plus 3. What does this give? 6 in the denominator. 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is our answer. Easy. Let's take another example. Here we have 2/5 plus 1/4. So what do? We do multiply these two numbers first. That is 5 into 4 gives 20. And now we will multiply these numbers diagonally. So 2 4s are 8, 1 5s are 5. What do we do with the numerators now? We just add them. So 8 plus 5. What does this give? 20 in the denominator. 8 plus 5 is 13. So what is the answer? 13/20. Easy. Let's go to another example. This time we have 3/4 plus 5/6. So we see that denominators are different. We just multiply both the numbers and write it here. So 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. And now we will multiply these numbers. So 3 6 is 18, 5 4 is 20. What do we do with these numbers now? We just add them. So 18 plus 20, it will give 18 plus 20 gives 38, and we have 24 in the denominator. So we have to remember one thing when we do these kind of we find try to find solution like this, then sometimes we have to simplify our answers. You know it that every time we have to simplify the fractions to the lowest form. Okay, so sometimes it is needed. Here I can see that it is divisible by 2 both in the numerator and denominator. Okay, so I will try to divide it by 2. So 2 19s gives me 38 and 2 12s gives me 24. Now if I say I cannot divide it further, so this is the answer. This is the simplest form now. Okay. See one more example here. This time we have 3 6ths plus 4 8ths. So again I'll use the simple method, that is they are different, and I'll multiply. 6 8s are 6 8s are 48, and I'll multiply these numbers now. So 3 8s is 24, 4 6 is 24. They are same numbers. So what do we do now? To the numerator we add. So it is 24 plus 24. So 24 plus 24 gives what? 4 and 4 8, 2 and 2 4. That is 48 and 48. Now remember, I told you in the last video that if we have same denominator and numerator, we can write it as 1. Okay, so 1 upon 1 or 1. This is our answer.